Hi everyone, welcome to WebTech Production. In this tutorial, I will show you how to select HTML element by using class name. If you watch this video till the end, then you will be able to select element by its class name and apply some style by using CSS properties. So let's practically see how to select element by class name. Now let's start coding. Set the title of document to class selector. Now let us create paragraph element. Now let us copy some dummy text. Now let us paste it between p tag. Now let us save the file. As you can see, we have created paragraph element. Now let us assign class to this element. To assign class to HTML element, we need to use class attribute. So let us go to p element and use class attribute. Class equals to double quotation. Let us set the value of class attribute to my class. Now let's apply some style to this element. For applying style, we need to use style tag in his section. Now let us select this element by its class name. For selecting element by its class name, first of all we need to type dot. Now let us type class name. In our case it is my class. Now let us type opening and closing curly braces. Now by using color property, let us change the color of p element. So let us use color property and set the value of color property to red. Put semicolon at the end. Now let us save the file. As you can see, the color of paragraph is changed to red. Okay guys, this was the way of selecting element by class name. If you liked my video, please click on thumbs up button, and if you are new to my channel and didn't subscribe yet, please do subscribe now.